Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Mustang GT Coupe, stock reference number 4922. This shape runs from the 8th month 15 through to the 10th month 17. It has a Coyote 5 litre V8 petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. Coyote V8 5 litre V8 engine. We have the radiator grille, left-hand daytime running light, left-hand fog light, left headlight, left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, left guard appears to have no damage, left-hand side skirt, left door appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, tidy rear bumper cover, left-hand tail light, boot lid appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side skirt, right power door mirror, right front door appears to have no damage, does have a little paint chip on the front edge. So the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.